They're breathtaking, they're eye-opening, and they're jaw-dropping. Welcome to this video. I am Marian Lorraine Estelacito, and today we are counting down our picks for the top 5 recreational places in the province and city of Iloilo. For this list, we will be looking at the top 5 most beautiful locations Iloilo has to offer. Number 5. Iloilo River Esplanade. Iloilo River Esplanade is an esplanade along Iloilo River in Mandurriao, Iloilo City, Philippines that was opened on August 18, 2012. It stretches 1.2 kilometers from Diversion Road to Carpenter Bridge. The Iloilo Esplanade, or simply the Esplanade as locals call it, is a peaceful promenade that runs alongside the Iloilo River. It is one of the best showcases of the city's efforts to rehabilitate and protect the Iloilo River and promote active lifestyles. It is also a popular tourist spot where visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll and enjoy the serene views along the river. Social recreation here can be as passive as nice walking or as active as biking tour for visitors that starts with a visit to Molo Church, then a lengthy sunset walks along the Esplanade, which may be capped with a hearty meal and drinks at Smallville or at Riyadh District Park. Number 4. Santa Barbara Golf Course. The Iloilo Golf and Country Club, formerly and informally known as the Santa Barbara Golf Course in Barangay San Sebastian, Santa Barbara, Iloilo, is a 35-hectare of plains and rolling hills. Jump on this one-day nature trip and get your much-needed city break in Iloilo. This place hosts a resort and a 7-hectare farm of rolling hills. Along the Adventure Park displays their diverse homestead such as the Red Lady Papaya Plantation, greenhouse, vegetable garden, and mini zoo. Social recreation includes farming to forest. Experience an eco-friendly tour suitable for you and your family. Number 3. Iloilo Museum of Contemporary Arts. The Iloilo Museum of Contemporary Art is an art museum in Iloilo City, Philippines. It is the first museum in the Visayas and Mindanao dedicated to modern and contemporary art and the first museum in the Visayas exclusively dedicated to Ilonggo visual artists. It houses the largest collections of art in the Visayas. The museum is likewise the first Mega World-built museum in the Philippines. Amenities here include the museum itself and outstanding outdoor structures. Social recreations are as passive as walking and viewing beautiful creations of Iloilo visual artists. Number 2. Gojicate Camp in Iloilo. Gojicate Camp in Iloilo is an accommodation in my very own San Miguel, Iloilo. Gojicate comes from 2 words, go and educate. Its mission is to go and educate people who otherwise have no access to education so that they can escape lives of uselessness and hopelessness. Amenities here include exercise rooms and dining options, and visitors can laugh with friends while they enjoy a various range of recreation such as zipline, vertical wall, horseback riding, biking, archery range, archery assault, and fishing among others. Number 1. Garin Farm. Garin Farm is a 15-hectare area situated at the southernmost town of the province of Iloilo. Garin Farm is an inland resort that integrates agriculture, leisure, and religion to create a farm, a recreational place, and a pilgrimage site all in one location. The place is actually a functional farm that showcases agricultural practices and houses various livestock and crops. More than its agricultural features, Garin Farm also boasts of its recreational facilities and activities such as ziplines, swimming pools, buggy car, kayaking, fishing, and whatnot. But the highlight of the place is the pilgrimage hill with 456 step stairs that features 9 major biblical scenes including the Nativity or the birth of Jesus, baptism of Christ, the Last Supper, and the agony in the garden among others. The stair steps end at the peak that recreates the usual notion of what heavens look like. Aside from the spectacular locations, Iloilo is also home to one of the sweet, most hospitable, warm, and free-spirited people you will ever meet. I hope this video helped in letting you know more of our Iloilo recreation sites to help you plan the ultimate escape. It has to be Iloilo.